About this item: bridge between you and music. WARRKY optical cable allows you to connect soundbar and home theater system to your TV, PS4, PlayStation, Xbox, and more devices with standard Toslink, S/PDIF, optical, Optic, ports. Outperform than your previous optical audio cable. The right fiber optic cable for crystal and clear sound. Top-notch fiber core. The 6 feet digital optical audio cable adopts fiber cores from Toray, Japan for zero distortion digital audio stream. Ideal for uncompressed PCM audio, compressed 5.1 to 7.1 surround sound systems including Dolby Digital Plus, DTS HD high resolution and LPCM. Turn your living room to home theater. Ultra durability. Carefully chosen nylon material is much more durable than plastic cable. Flexible and lightweight. CL3 rated. Safe for in-wall installation. Aluminum case and gold-plated connector make sure this optical audio cable remain the best performance even after thousands times of using. Secure and snug connection. Extra thicker gold-plated layer and anti-losing buckle enable this digital audio optical cable. Fits standard Toslink, S/PDIF, optical, port snugly. Thoughtful rubber cap and cable tie help you store this fiber optics cable easier. Free from dust accumulation. Better connector protection. WARRKY is confident in the quality of this digital audio cable. All WARRKY products are backed by online technical support. Feel free to consult